Hey everyone, Trainboy70 here. Today I got a package from Total Thomastown. It's right there. Here it is. See the sticker? A sticker? It's a Total Thomastown. So here's the front. And there's the back. It says thank you at the back from Total Thomastown. It's already open, so let's see what's inside. Here they are. This is the paper for eBay. Here we have some many thank you card from Total Thomastown. An envelope. Ready at full steam from Total Thomastown. And our story from Total Thomastown. Let me open the envelope and see what's inside. We got some stickers of Total Thomastown and Minions. Thomas, make a way. Here we have the Thomas character inside the blue packaging. Let's open up and see what's inside. I got some scissors right there. So let's open it and see what's inside the blue wrapping paper. Well, what do you know? It's a Trackmaster captain. Captain works at the Solar Search and Rescue Center. Captain first appeared in the Thomas and Friends movie, Mystery Island Rescue from 2010. So let's take a look at Captain. So here's the front, side, the back, the other side, the bottom. Hang on. It says it's from 2010. Same as Mystery Island Rescue came out. So what do you think about this video? Let me know in the comments down below. Well guys, that's it for this video. Send a comment, press the button, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next video.